Take a ride in the 2019 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, tachometer, leather shift knob, luxury group 2. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.